How to fix space isn't available right now Facebook problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Scroll down your notification bar and then turn on airplane mode. After that, again turn off, and it might fix your Wi-Fi problem and fix your Facebook. If it does not fix your problem, open settings. In settings, scroll down to system. Click on system at the bottom. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on date and time. Then turn off use network provided time and on. Do same with use network provided time zone and try opening Facebook. If it still does not fix your problem, open Play Store, search for Facebook, and if it has any update available, update it. If it has update, you will find update instead of open. If it still does not fix your problem, open settings, go to apps and notifications. Click on apps and notifications, then click on Facebook. In here, simply click on storage and cache. Then clear the cache. After you have cleared the cache, go back. Make sure you do not clear storage because it will remove all your data and you will need to log into your account again. Then click on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure disable Wi-Fi and disable data uses is turned off. After you make sure this is turned off, go back, go to permissions. In permissions, make sure permission is allowed to all the factors: camera, contact, microphone, and all. And the last option is simply restart your device. After you have restarted your device, open Facebook and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Space isn't available right now Facebook problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.